say May 29th, 2022. I just pulled a random handful of old letters out of a filing cabinet to see what was there. Came across an envelope with mail sent to me by an acquaintance I knew back in mid-1980s to thereabouts. And I don't know if this is what media he drew this with. Earl Dean Hanna, who signed his name E.D. Rex, R-E-X, like king, I guess. Self-portrait with a red knit dunce cap and self. Sorry I missed your soiree. I'm suffering with a severe case of temporary sanity induced by an overdose of a certain bubbly substance New Year's Eve! Exclamation, exclamation. Looks like that French actor who moved to Russia. I don't think of his name. I know that's Earl Dean Hanna's letterhead. Project. Badminton court mural, 10 feet by 201 feet, crayon on butcher paper for St. Erasmus of Delft, parentheses, the celibate, convent for wayward girls. Price, 3 bottles of white port, 1 barrel of beer. E.D. Rex, 5/6, May 6, 1987. Interesting. And this, I don't know how he did this, photocopy with marking pen colors, I don't know. There you have it, Earl Dean Hanna. I looked him up, this was a couple of years ago, and I believe he's deceased. All right.